Dear students, now I'm going to explain the 2 marks questions in the determinants topic. All possible questions I'm going to explain. In the previous videos I have done inverse trigonometric functions 1 plus 2 and matrices 1 plus 3 plus 5. I completed all the 3 videos in matrices. Inverse trigonometric function 1 video, 1 plus 2 marks. And this video in determinants 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4. In the just before I have uploaded video yesterday all 1 mark questions. Now today I will do the 2 marks questions. Now you can see they are asking find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 8, minus 4, comma 2 and 5, comma 1 using determinant method. They are asking using determinant method. Find the area of the triangle using determinant method means we have formula. You can see the area of this is the given 3 points, right? They are asking area of the triangle. When they are asking area of the triangle, I can write area equal to 1 by 2, determinant of x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1. This is the formula. Take all the 3 vertices. I can write 1 by 2, 3, 8 1, minus 4 2 1. I can write 5 1 1. Just you can expand the determinant now. I can expand the determinant 1 by 2. So I can simplify this 3 into, right? You know how to expand the determinant. 3 into, leave this row in this column. 2 minus 1 minus 8 into, okay, 3 into leave this row in this column. Minus 8 into, leave this row and this column. You get minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 into, you get minus 4 minus 10. So you will get 1 by 2. You can see here 2 minus 1. 1 will get 3 minus 9 plus 72. Correct, this one minus 14. You can simplify 1 by 2 into, you can check this one. So this is 75. 75 minus 14 they are saying here, right? So total here. Even you can check this. You'll get this one. You'll get 61, right? 61 by 2. Answer is 61 by 2 square units. You will get the answer 61 by 2. 61 by 2 square units, right? Or 61 by 2 square units. You are 61 by 2 square units. After doing this, you practice the same model here. So find the area of the triangle whose vertices are the given vertices using determinant method only. Specifically, they will ask using determinant method. So I have done this same way. You can do it. Same practice. Immediately practice. You will be thorough with this model. We will do the next one. Say this problem. The given area is here. Area is given 4 square units. Whose vertices are minus 2 0 0 4 0 comma k. Using determinants, you should find the value of k. Now you can check. We have the formula again. You can write area equal to 1 by 2. What is the formula? We know that x1 by 1 1, x2 by 2 1, x3 by 3 1, right? Determinant. So which is good? I can write minus 2 0 1, 0 4 1, 0, because the point we have points 0 k 1. You write this. We will simplify this because I have written 1 by 2. Write 1 by 2. If I simplify this, you can see here I minus 2 into, we will get 4 minus k. This is 0, right? I get it plus 1 into, this is also 0, right? I will get k into 0, 0 into 0. And then expand the determinant. It will come here, 2 to get cancelled here. It will come 4 minus k, right? I got this one. Correct. 2 plus 2 will get cancelled. This is you will get area, you are getting 4 minus k. I got this is area. You can multiply this. This will become minus of 4 minus k. It will become k minus 4, right? Minus of 4 minus k minus 4. But the given that area is equal to given, what is given area is 4 square units. I can consider this is equal to k minus 4 equal to plus or minus, area is given, right? This area is given plus or minus 4 because determinant sometime may be positive or negative. Consider plus or minus 4. You take case 1. K minus 4 is equal to 4. and you take case 2, k minus 4 is equal to minus 4. You will get here k is equal to 8. This is one of the answer. In this case k equal to 0, this is another answer, right? After finding the area, whenever they are asking to find unknown value, then you can consider this area equal to plus or minus 4. Take plus 4, k is equal to 8, take minus 4, k equal to 0. So these are the answers, k equal to 0 or 8. K equal to 0 or 8. After doing this, you practice this problem. Here also you will get expected answer k equal to 0 or 8 only. K equal to 0 or 8. You try to solve this problem. Here, similar to like this only, you practice immediately, then you will be confident about this model. We will do the next one. So like similar, the previous problem, similar model only. Just the given A, B, C points is given, be the vertex of a triangle, ABC, A13, B00, CK0, vertex of triangle ABC of area 3 square units. Area is given 3 square units. Find K using determinants. You can find area here. When I am finding area here, 1 by 2, x1 by 1, 1 means you will get x1 by 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, I can write k0, 1, right? We will find this area here, 1 by 2, I can find this area, 1 into 0 minus 0, minus 3 into, leave this row in this column, you will get 0 minus k, plus 1 into, I can write this will be 0 minus 0, right? Everything will get. So finally what you will get from this one, minus plus 3, you will get 3k by 2, correct? You can simplify this. You will get this one, 0 plus 3k by 2, you got this area plus 3k by 2. But here to find the value of k, the area I can consider now, this 3k by 2 area which is equal to, I can write plus or minus 3. You take plus value, 3k by 2 equal to 3 and 3k by 2 equal to minus 3. Then you will get k is equal to 3, you will get 1, k is equal to 2, you will get one of the value. 3, you will get 1, k is equal to minus 2, right? K is equal to minus 2. K is equal to 2, then you can transfer 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 will be 1. We got the value k is equal to 2, k is equal to minus 2, right? We got the values of this. Find the area equate to find the value of k plus or minus. You should why because determinant is 1. Sometimes we get plus or minus. You take plus or minus option. Then you find the value of k. Similarly, you do this problem. This one they asked 2018. 2018 this problem they ask the same model, you take it, equate to plus or minus 35 to find the value of k. You try to solve. Immediately to get practice, more practice, solve immediately after doing this, you solve this problem. You will be thorough with this model. Now see this problem, they are given find the equation of the line joining a1 comma 2 and b3 comma 6 using determinants. Should find the equation of the line. They are given this, right? AB is given. I will take one more point P on this line. This is A, B is given points. Let P x comma be any point on the line. Let P x comma y be any point, because I have taken be any point on the line AB, right? On the line AB. Joining AB, you take a point, any point on that. Now area of triangle ABP equal to 0, right? Area of triangle ABP equal to 0. Why? Because the points are collinear, not possible to form the triangle. So area should be 0. I can write 1 by 2. I can write the points 1, 2, 1, 3, 6, 1, x, y, 1 equal to 0, right? I can take 1 by 2 that side. If I simplify this, this implies I can write 1 into 6 minus y minus 2, just determinant expansion, 3 minus x. Correct, 2 means minus 2, leave this row in this column, 3 minus x plus 1 into 3y minus 6x, which is equal to 0, right? I can simplify this, 6 minus y minus 6 plus 2x, this one plus 3y minus 6x equal to 0. minus x plus x get cancelled here. I can simplify 2x minus 6x. You will get minus 4x and minus 5 plus 3y. It will come minus 5 plus 3y plus 2y. You take 2 common here, you will get y is equal to 2x. This implies right. Y is equal to 2x. That is your answer. I simplify. You get minus 4x. You can stop here also. Minus 4x plus 2y equal to 0. Or 2y equal to 4x. Y is equal to 2x. Equation of the line we have got. Similarly, you solve these two problems. Here we have two problems. You find the equation of the line joining 3193 and 1300 using determinants. Follow the same method. You practice immediately after doing this. You solve this problem. Immediately you practice these two questions. You will be thorough with this model, no doubt. You will be thorough with this model. Try to solve this immediately. Don't postpone that. After understanding this, try to solve these two problems. Since the given parts are collinear, area of triangle ABP equal to 0. Then you write the formula of area of the triangle. Because using determinants, you should solve this. You expand this, you get y is equal to x. Similarly, you solve these two problems. Now see, in this problem, they are given using determinants show that the given points are collinear. That means collinear means the points in the same line, right? So ABC line in the same line. When AB is in the same line, area of triangle ABC should be equal to 0. If you find area of triangle ABC, you should get 0. Then we can say that the given points are collinear. So if I take area of triangle ABC, I can write here. Area of triangle ABC. I can take this 1 by 2. I can write AB plus C 1, BC plus A 1, CA plus B 1. You can expand directly, we get 0. Otherwise, I can use property here. So this is column 1, column 2. C1, I can write C1 plus C2, right? 1 by 2. Add C1 plus C2. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. This is B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So I can take it A plus B plus C common. 1 by 2 into, I can take it A plus B plus C common. You will get 1, 1, 1. You will get B plus C, C plus A plus B, 1, 1, 1. So which is equal to, you will get this is 0, right? 1 by 2, A plus B plus C into 0. The reason, since C1 is equal to C3, correct? Into 0 it will be 0, right? Since C1 is equal to C3. C1 equal to C3, I got area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Then it is therefore the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. But some people, they will think in the reduced syllabus, the properties are not there. How can you use this? No problem, you can use it, the properties. So many people they are preparing for different entrance exams. Definitely they should learn properties, right? You can do this, no problem. This is alternate method. If you don't want to this method using properties, I will explain another method also now. This is by using properties. If you don't want this, I can tell you directly also, I can do that. You can see that when I am doing directly, suppose same problem I can do directly also without using properties, I can do that. If I use without using properties, I can expand this, right? 1 by 2. So A into, I can write C plus A minus B minus of B plus C into B minus C, right? This one B minus C plus 1 into B, will get BA plus B square minus C square, will get minus CA, will get like this, right? Just expansion this one. If I simplify, you can check now. What if I simplify? Plus A minus A cancel, AC minus AB minus of this one. I can write B square minus C square, right? A plus B, A minus B, like B plus B minus C. You will get B square minus C square, right? I can expand like this. This one again. You can also expand this one. Plus BA plus B square minus C square minus CA, right? Minus, just I have written minus CA. This is CA. Now you can see here plus CA minus CA can get cancelled here. Minus AB plus AB get cancelled here. Even I can check this. This is B square minus C square, minus of B square minus C square will get cancelled. Correct. If you want like clear still, if you want 1 by 2 minus B square plus C square plus B square minus C square, right, everything will get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to 0. Therefore, the given points are collinear. Conclusion you can write. Either you can do using properties or you can do like this. Therefore, the given points are collinear. I can conclude that. The given points are collinear. I can do that. Therefore, the given points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Either you can do expansion method or you can do properties of determinants. Any one of the method you can do that. So now with this I have completed all 2 marks questions. Now 2 marks questions I completed. Tomorrow I will upload 5 marks questions. So you can solve these questions. Definitely you will be thorough with this topic. So my aim or your aim should reach maximum score. You should improve your score. You should reach maximum score. So 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4, 12 marks you should get out of 14 determinants topic. That is my wish. Thank you. See you in the next video.